Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we're looking at the area of a triangle using our mathematical thinking skills. Let's look at today's scenario.
Mary, do you know what I have been learning about in math class? I have been learning a lot about triangles, especially how to find its area, but somehow I don't fully understand. I know how much you love math, and I know how much you brag how you can do maths well. Can you explain to me how to find the area of a triangle?
I can help. Let's start with a familiar shape. So we know that this is a rectangle, and we're going to find the area of this first. So let us count how many squares do we have inside of the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area of this rectangle is 12 units squared. But what if we split the shape now into two equal sizes? What two shape would this be?
It forms two right-angle triangles.
Very good. Now, if we could count all the squares on each side, we would see that we get an equal amount of 6 units squared. So each triangle is 6 units squared.
Realize that the area of one of the triangle is half the area of the triangle. So the area of the rectangle was 12 units squared, and the area for one of the triangle is 6 units squared, which means that it is half the area of the rectangle.
Have you noticed anything else?
Yes, I noticed that the sum of the two areas for the triangle will give the area of the rectangle. But why is this so?
A triangle is half as big as the rectangle that surrounds it, which is why the area of a triangle is half base times height. Let's look at an example. Let's look at a working example. What if we're given a rectangle and the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters, with the height being 18 centimeters? How would you find the area of a triangle based on this question?
Let me try this question. So first, I am going to find the area of the rectangle. So to find the area of a rectangle, it is the height, which is 18 centimeter, times the length, which is 12 centimeter. And that will give me a value of 216 centimeters squared. Going back to the example, I remember clearly from a rectangle, I can get two right-angle triangles. I can get two right-angle triangles. So that means to find the area of one of the triangle, I'm going to find half of the area of the rectangle. So I'm going to divide the area 216 by 2. And when I divide that, I will get 108 centimeters squared. So therefore, the area of one of the triangle is 106 centimeters squared.
Very good. But do you believe your answer is correct?
All right, let's check and see. Remember, I would have said that the sum of the areas of two right-angle triangles will give me the area of the rectangle. So I'm going to add 108 two times to see if I'm going to get 260. So it is 108 plus 108. And yes, it indeed gave me 216. Oh, now I understand.
I'm glad I could have been of assistance. All right, here we end our YouTube channel. Tune in for our next episode where we will look at other areas of different shapes using other shapes that we already know so we can make our connections.